Hello, and welcome to Lackawanna College's virtual application walkthrough. As we are all impacted by the spread of COVID-19, our staff has made it easier than ever to chat with an admissions advisor and complete your application in the comfort of your home. Yes, you can wear your pajamas. Trust us, we look forward to when we can see you at one of our 7 locations around northeastern Pennsylvania. Until then, we've got the perfect person to take you under their wing as you consider becoming a future Falcon, our mascot, Elsie. First, let's talk about your admissions requirements. Step 1 is submitting your inquiry form to us. If you've already done this, head to Step 2 and we'll help you work on your application. Need help getting to the inquiry form to complete Step 1? Click the link below the video on this page to visit explore.lackawanna.edu and fill out the form. If you realize you've already completed this, no big deal. Please enter your email again, then click on the first name field. We'll recognize you and redirect you to your own personal Lackawanna College webpage. Forgot your password? No problem. Just click on Send Me a New Password. Finished with steps 1 and 2? Oh, you are such an overachiever. Step 3 is to schedule a virtual meeting with your personal admissions advisor. It's like a campus visit, but with plenty of social distancing. You can schedule your virtual visit from your personal URL or at explore.lackawanna.edu/visit. We've put a link for you on this page. Let's prepare for Step 4, the actual virtual meeting. What do you need for this? Excellent question. Your advisor will ask you to submit your high school transcripts, information about your GED, and college transcripts if you're transferring from another institution. I'm sure you and your family may have a ton of questions, so bring those along to the meeting too. This takes us to, you guessed it, Step 5. Your advisor may need to schedule an AccuPlacer assessment. Ugh, an assessment? Don't worry, this just helps us figure out which courses you may need to get the best college experience. Once all of that's complete, you'll move to Step 6, which is to receive, drumroll please, your acceptance letter. Step 6 is our favorite step because that means you're now a future Falcon. Lackawanna College is an open enrollment institution, but some of our programs do require that you maintain a certain GPA and complete other steps. Your advisor will help you with any extra information your program might require. Once you receive your acceptance letter, please make sure to submit your commitment fee. I've been told that I talk a lot, and since I threw so much information at you, let's summarize. Step 1, submit your inquiry form. Step 2, fill out your application. Step 3, schedule your virtual meeting with an admissions advisor. Step 4, attend your virtual meeting. Step 5, take the AccuPlacer assessment if your advisor schedules one. Step 6, the acceptance letter. Wondering what else you need to do? When you're ready, check out our other video, Now That I'm a Future Falcon, What Do I Do Next? This is Elsie the Falcon signing off. I hope to see you soon, fellow Falcons.